I'm Jay Jeffrey, and I'm president of Time Manufacturing, been with the company for over 34 years. With all the changes we've had in our industry, the one constant, the one thing that hasn't changed is Versalift is known for innovation and excellence. Over the last few years, Versalift has significant growth, both organically and through brand acquisition. We continue to expand through company-owned distribution and third-party partners around the world. It's very important to us that not only do we build an innovative product and give you the right product, but also that we know how to service it and take care of it throughout its life.
The growth over the last 3-4 years has been unprecedented with the recent acquisitions of distribution and manufacturers. It's making the supply chain a little easier to manage because you got a little more help. Additional manufacturers, obviously, additional volume with them. Plus, we're doing more procurement on the distribution side, which we've never done before. With all the distribution across the United States, we're able to share pricing, volumes, combine volumes, and get optimum performance at all levels.
In the last 4 years here at Versalift, through vertical integration, we have grown the company to a size that brings a lot of efficiencies to our organization, knowledge to our organization, that helps us improve and innovate to an even greater scale than we've been able to before.
Several of our acquisitions, one is including Rootman, which is a leading European manufacturer of 40 different models through 3 different brands, which continues to strengthen how strong we are in the European theater, also across the world.
One of the things that Rootman has been, I think, famous for many, many years are the ability to develop very, very tall machines with still a reasonable weight. And Rootman has for many years developed a lot of different technologies. One is the way that they built the boom system, which is capable of reaching, significant, reach without having a lot of weight to them.
With the acquisition of Rootman, now we have access to some of the best people in the industry, engineers and manufacturing, a distribution group over there that really makes us a much stronger global company.
Aspen Aerials is our underbridge inspection unit, which is the leading manufacturer of underbridge inspection units in North America.
Here at Aspen Aerials, we build a variety of units to handle different sized bridges. We sell them to municipalities, state DOTs, railroads, and also to many rental companies.
And then Brand FX, which is the leading composite and fiberglass body manufacturer in the world. This does several things for us. Not only gives us the ability to provide a body with our list, but also it integrates our supply chain through all our fiberglass products worldwide.
Brand FX is the largest composite body manufacturer in the country. We manufacture all of our product out of composite fiberglass material, starting from the small service bodies on a Ford Ranger truck up to a largest tandem axle truck with a digger derrick or an aerial device on it. Our product is really the only one that you can walk up, take your foot, kick it as hard as you want to kick it. You're not going to ding it, you're not going to dent it, and you're not going to break it. Where the metal bodies, that happens all the time. You once bend it, you don't bend it back.
The electric utility industry, both investor-owned and all electric utilities, is an important part of what we want to do in the future. We've committed resources, product, innovations to that application specifically.
So what we've really done is we've made a machine that will pick up to 700 pounds of capacity in any position that you put the boom in, meaning the operator no longer has to read a load chart to find out if he's within the capacities of that machine. When you've got your lineman out during a storm and he's trying to replace transformers that have been taken down by wind or snow or hail, the last thing he wants to do, because he is in a hurry to get power up for your customers, is to have to stop and think, how much weight can I pick in this position? With this machine, it eliminates that. There is no guesswork. There is no charts that have to be read to keep him in a safe working condition. It'll pick up 25 kVA transformers up to 37.5 kVA without needing a load chart to look at. It's just a safer, simpler solution.
Our operator training is designed around the ANSI A92.2 standard for safe operation, and we do offer online training courses that relate to each specific model. People are really embracing technology who were a little bit more resistant at the beginning. They're also a lot more sophisticated in what they're looking for.
Well, the path for Time Manufacturing going forward is one of nothing but growth and possibilities. Through our innovation, the way we design products and build products, our manufacturing capabilities, both domestically in North America and also worldwide, is fabulous. So that's our growth plan. We continue to build the best product, the most innovative product, the highest quality product, and we plan to be #1.